Alexander Temutamataze has described ancient text on the Bashlem tile. This tile has been found in Georgia, municipality of Dmanis, at the Bashlem lake. Text of tile represents 6 horizontal lines regarding the topic of flooding. On A horizontal line is written, "Be ready for tears or water, noble origin." On B line is written, "Gather your 3 sons, Noah. Leave this place to save yourself." On G line is written, "You are the wisdom, the noble origin of the 3 creations. Rain will come to the earth, the stream of water. There will be thunder everywhere." On D line is written, "Let the flock to sit in the dark." Noah took dough for swim and also put the livestock in it. On E line is written, "To overcome the flood, to survive, let him create the ship, let it be ready." On V line is written, "For your salvation, if you endure, your God will be with you."